Good morning, dear friend. Today we will understand what is labor law, why we studying labor law. In labor law, we study three basic laws: Industrial Dispute Act, Trade Union Act, and Factory Act. To understand these laws easily, we must read page number 3 of Bandhwa Mukti Morcha case 1983. On that page, there is a report of Supreme Court Commission. Tell us the condition of laborer working in stone quarries, Haryana, Faridabad. There are 7 points in the report. Here, I am reading those 7 points regarding the condition of laborer. The first point is laborers were unable to take birth in the dust. The second is some of the workmen were forced labor. Third is no facility for pure drinking water, and laborers were drinking water from Nala. Fourth point is no proper shelter. Fifth point is laborers were suffering from chronic disease. Sixth point is no compensation to injured. Seventh point is no facility for medical treatment and schooling. So, after scrutinizing this report of the Supreme Court Commission, we can understand how effectively our law is working. In Faridabad, at that time, there was labor commissioner, labor inspector, labor court, labor tribunal. What these authorities were doing, what kind of duty they discharging at that time, from where this forced labor came in India, whether we responsible for this or any other factor responsible for this, because at that time it was 1983. In labor law we have to search answer to these questions, that who is responsible for the forced labor, which is the appropriate government authority to whom grievance regarding forced labor may be addressed. That is the fundamental question. And who will provide facility to the forced labor? Why forced labor will exist in Faridabad, Haryana? These questions will be answered during the study of labor law. If we unable to answer these questions, there is no benefit of studying labor law. Thank you.